In this video, I'm going to show you why I believe the altcoin season that everyone is waiting for is going to happen next month, November, and latest December, because we are now seeing accumulation at this very point on ETH, USDT, 1 week chart. So after this accumulation, market is going to move all the way to the upside, and this is going to trigger the altcoin season for this very bull market, and I believe that is going to happen next month, November and December. So in this video, I will be talking about the altcoin season that is coming and why you need to consider buying your favorite altcoin right now, and also Bitcoin price analysis. All of this in this very video. So watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for other crypto content. Right here on ETH USDT 1 week chart, we know that Ethereum is the father of all altcoins. What that means is once Ethereum begins to move all the way upward, every other altcoin is going to move with it. And why we say so is because even though you see Bitcoin begin to move sporadically upward, you may not see most altcoin begin to move with it as well. But once Ethereum begin to move dramatically all the way to the upside, definitely every other alt is going to move all the way to the upside. So technical standpoint, from this very outlook of this chart, and this is 1 week, market is in the accumulation phase right here, and market is going to move upward. And one important key factor to this very price analysis is that if you look at it, this is a very strong level of important support at this very point, where market fall all the way from here into this very point of support. And right now we've seen accumulation within this very price level of $2,700 and this very price level of $2,187, and this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So after this accumulation, market is going to move upward. Not only that, if you use another indicator, which is the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market is pointing upward. Look at it here. So from this very point, market is pointing direction upward, which means there is a buy momentum coming very soon. It has not happened on the chart yet, but that is what this very indicator is pointing all the way to the upside for. Therefore, we need to begin to buy our favorite altcoin before that very move is going to come into the market all the way to the upside. Market has not even crossed the 50% line on this very stochastic RSI indicator, as you can see right here, which means market have high capacity of moving upward from this very point into the overbought condition very soon. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now. This is very important. Not only that, if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool and then you draw from this very point where this very movement starts from impulsive move all the way to this point, you discover that the market have retraced considerably all the way to this very point of important support. If you look at it, market retraced about 0.786% all the way to this area, and right now market is sitting between the 0.50 point at this very point on the Fibonacci retracement tool and this very area, which is the golden pocket at this very point. So within this very zone, market is going to move upward. Mark this, market is going to move all the way to the upside, and that is what I am paying attention to right now. Expect that altcoin season to come into the market next month and December. That will be the beginning of the altcoin season. So buy your favorite altcoin right now. And on the immediate short term, on the 1 day chart, if you look at this very movement, it is called that market have ranged between these horizontal boundaries for months, okay, between this very area right here, okay, and this very point of support at this very point. See, market has been within this very boundary for months, and this is very critical. Why? Because it means that this is an accumulation phase right now. After accumulation phase, the market will begin to run all the way upward, because market crashed back down form this accumulation phase right at this very point. So after accumulation, what we are expecting to happen right now, which I believe should happen by next month, November 2024, market is going to break out of this level of resistance, and then we're going to see a massive ride on ETH USDT 1-day chart. And once that breakout occur, we're going to see most altcoins begin to do very, very well. And that will be the beginning of the altcoin season. So don't wait till that very move occur. Please consider buying your favorite altcoin right now, and that is very, very important. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market just entered into oversold condition at this very point on the 1-day chart, which means market have high momentum moving upward very, very soon. Remember, the 1-week chart is already pointing upward, okay, not crossing the 50% mark yet, but the 1-day chart here just enter into the oversold condition, which means coming out of oversold condition is a big deal for a massive ride all the way by the bulls to the upside, and that is what you need to pay attention to right now. So consider buying your favorite altcoin all the way to the upside. So from this very perspective, I am expecting this chart to begin to move upward, and a breakout of this very level of important resistance is very, very possible right now on this very chart, and that is what I am keeping my eye on and paying attention to at the moment on ETH USDT 1-day chart. And if you look at Bitcoin on the 1-week chart, you see this very point of important resistance have to break before we can then say that the market is going to approach the 80K level. This point of resistance right here have to break out, and once that breakout occur, we're going to see the market begin to move massively all the way to the upside. If we don't see that breakout, then market is not going to move upward. But from what have happened recent time, I believe this breakout is going to happen next month, okay, which is November, and that breakout is very important, and it will trigger the movement all the way to the upside. Not only that, considering what we are seeing on chain, BlackRock is buying thousands of Bitcoin all the way from this very point of 66 and 67 into 68K dollars, and that is one of the things that is fearing this very movement all the way to the upside. What that means is we should expect a massive buy pressure on Bitcoin very, very soon. So if people like BlackRock is buying Bitcoin, what are you supposed to be doing right now? Buy your favorite altcoin, because Bitcoin is relatively expensive at this very point, which means you buying Bitcoin will not give you much return compared to if you buy your favorite altcoin. And I want you to comment below in the comment section of this video, what is your favorite altcoin in this very bull season? Expect this breakout to happen next month, November. Once that breakout happens, market is going to ride into $90,000. This is my personal expectation to this very point, and before we can see any further drop down before a $100K mark is very possible after the market breakout of this very area of important resistance. And that is what we need to pay attention to right now on the chart, and this is the 1-week chart. Remember, there is a consolidation around this very area. Market breakout is very imminent right now. And also, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, market is still approaching the overbought condition, which I believe market is going to move into the overbought condition right here and stay here for some time before it will come back down and then move into it again. Looking at the 1-day chart on the immediate short term, it is discovered that the market is already moving upward. Market did not enter into oversold condition from what you can see right here on the stochastic RSI indicator, but there is a crossover between the orange line and the blue line, which indicate that the market have a high capacity of moving all the way to the upside, going back into the overbought condition again in the near future. But that is not what I am looking at. I am looking at a very important breakout that just happened on this chart yesterday, and that breakout is a big trigger for the market to move all the way upward. Look at it here. There is a breakout on this very point of important resistance. Once that breakout happens, we see the market begin to move upward into this very area of 71k dollars. And from here, I believe market have that momentum to begin to move upward from this very point of resistance all the way to the upside, creating a new all-time high on Bitcoin very soon, especially next month of trading. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. The purpose of this video is for you to consider buying your favorite altcoin, because ETH is about to make that aggressive move all the way to the upside. And once that aggressive move come into the market, breaking this level of important resistance, then we're going to see the beginning of the altcoin season. I repeat, the beginning of the altcoin season. And the best time to buy your favorite altcoin is right now, because most altcoins are low at the moment. And buying low means that you are buying at a better price. So what's your favorite altcoin? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content, and you can join our crypto telegram channel in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.